whole thing. So welcome to the party. Drop a follow, drop a sub, drop your pants, whatever you want to do. It's fine. Oh, somebody asked for a Shakespeare lecture in song, and I've got one. Oh, also, if you're new here, I know 3 chords on the ukulele, so it will be the same chords, but here we go. Shelties, that is very interesting. And E-Hawk, I did get that email. Thank you so much. I haven't turned it into an emote yet, but I'm so fucking excited to do it. I just didn't get a chance because I literally just got back from Frolicon this morning. Romeo and Juliet is a comedy until it's not. That's the point. It's not a love story. It's a subversion of expectations on the romantic trope. 'Cause Romeo and Juliet is a comedy until it's not. Shakespeare trolled his audiences into thinking they were coming to a show where everything would be fine and everything would go the way that they wanted. And then Mercutio dies in Act 3 or maybe 4. I've been up since 6 in the morning. And so there's a reason why there's a certain point where Romeo and Juliet gets boring. Because it's a comedy. Until it's not. But perhaps even more importantly, there's something that the audience forgets. It's that at the time Italian fencing was new and it was like this weird punk movement. Because traditionally Elizabethan fencing was stylistically different. So the fact that all the young people constantly duel with rapiers and all of the old people in the show constantly talk about their swords. It's an age thing. It's a youth thing. Romeo and Juliet is a comedy about youth and the punk sword movement. Boomers with long swords. And if you're sitting there at home and you're like, that's fucking bullshit, I have 2 master's degrees in Shakespeare, and also you can just Google it. There you go. It's a song Shakespeare lecture. This is the dumbest stream I've ever done, but I did it. My song is done. There you go. That's it. That's one of my, you know what? We could clip that. I'm not gonna be upset about that. Like that worked. That was okay. That was all right. That was fine. I don't think people left this time. Yeah! Hell yeah! Turned into a dinosaur in the moment of my victory. Oh my god. Honestly though, I wish I don't mean like a Twitch hype train, but I wish that there was like a you're such a fucking nerd hype train. Like, that's what I want. Like, I like the biddies are great. The biddies are fine. But what I actually want is just people to be like, thank you for knowing things. Like, that's it. That's all I want. I just want like the knowledge hype train. I don't know how we would do that, but maybe we should just create our own emote or some shit. Speaking of that, eggs in the chat for me.